searching for a heart that will love him, longing for a child that will give him their all, give up. He wants it all. There's a God that